So mine just looks like this, real primitive, right? Basically, you got your hose. I just found a cap, any cap that you can find lying around. Drill a hole in it, and then you can put the little plastic tube that comes with your either starting fluid or carb cleaner. JB weld that bitch in there. Yeah, it's just basically a hose in that. Make sure you always back flush first. Back flush it a few times, then you can front flush it. You don't want to shove that gunk back up in there. If you don't have like something like this, I use this just because I don't, it's easier. I don't have 4 hands, so otherwise what you're going to want to do is just give it like a constant power. It doesn't matter what side. Put a constant power on one of the pins and then tap the other pin with ground as you pressurize this, and it'll start spraying it through. And then just keep doing that. Flip it back and forth until she's, firing nice and clean. If you had an ultrasonic cleaner, you could, really get it breaking it up free, but this is a primitive little way that you can get by. Here, I'll show you. Again, it doesn't matter which way you hook it up. It's still going to create a magnetic field, and it's going to open that pintle and spray. So normally, like I said, I use that other tool, but since you don't have one, we're just going to do like basic primitive. So I got power hooked up. I'm going to switch with ground. You could do the opposite of this if you want. It just doesn't matter. This is how I'm doing it right now. I give it a little spray. Okay. And then tap it. See it spraying? Do not hold it there. You don't want to oversaturate your injector because it'll heat it up to cook it. So just tap it real quick. Do that both ways and just keep flushing it, back flushing it, forward flushing it. You'll be good to go. Clean her out, baby. Let's go. Okay, so on a final note, I kind of want to talk about this tool again. It's not just because of simplicity, but you could have found the dirty injector with this tool without even taking anything apart. Because what this does is you hook it up to your injector and it'll pulse it for a timed limit. So say you hook a fuel pressure gauge up, you turn the key on, prime the system, you hook this up to an injector and pulse it for 5 seconds, you look at the fuel pressure drop. Do the same thing on each injector. If you have a dirty injector, your fuel pressure won't drop very much on that injector, or it won't be the same as the others. And that'll lead you into the direction without even having to take your injectors out. So cool little tool if you want to find dirty injectors next time. So, and then you could order something like this too for cleaning it. I think it's like $5 on Amazon. You just put the little hose on your carb cleaner on this end and put the injector in this end. And then little plastic tool that they sell if you don't want to make one. So just want to touch up on that.